Alright, here we are. Attempt number 5 at tour 10. Please, just let me win. Just let me win. I've got a guide for that specific jump because it's absolutely horrendous. Okay. Come on, dude. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Please, please, please. I'm waiting. Okay. Sorry. It's just that, when people join, when I'm in this tower, it's like, it sends massive lag spikes. It sends massive spikes and frame drops that cause me to fall. So it's probably just being dumb as usual, but okay. Oh, okay, I've done it. It actually worked. Inside done, please. Please, 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 please. Mama. I would flick, but I'm scared I'm just gonna miss entirely. I am gonna flick for this one. Okay, this is my PB, because, the spike. Okay. Please, and get onto the ladder! Oh, yeah! Yes, dude. Oh, dude, yes. Dude, oh, yes, please. Oh, please. Give me GG, dude. Yes, sir. Oh my god. All Insane's done. For real this time. Dude, you would not believe how unlucky I've been with TIB, dude. It has been absolutely horrendous with how unlucky I've been. It's just so good, dude. Like, this is just like a massive relief just off my chest, dude. Just a massive relief. Just like a huge burden off my shoulders, dude. Like, absolutely. What? Okay. Wow. Actual toxic. Actually, I can't believe Sam is actually toxic, bro. Bruh. Okay. Wow, dude, you serious? Oh my gosh. There's just a bunch of snowmen. Blah school? What? Why? Is he talking about the festive situations or whatever it's called? You know what I'm talking about, guys. The Winter Citadel? I don't think so. Oh. Oh, Slamus is burning. Dude. I'm just so happy. TUIB, starring Array Snowman, the Tower of Niflheim Snowman, I remember that one. Slamo-Man, 2D Snowman, DN Snowman, and starring, okay, dude. And let's see this one message. And so our brave climber managed to overcome your fears and the terrors of the mountain and was able to become victorious. So we thought. Actually, you took literally 6 steps into the blizzards, tripped on a rock, and fell to your untimely doom, and your climb was all a figment of your imagination. Did you really think tall people in giant white sands exist? Well, they don't. Your performance today was actually laughable. You should be ashamed. You know what? I don't care. That one message is fake. I know it's fake. I don't care. I'm just glad it's over. I'm just glad I have this done. I'm just glad all the Insanes are done. So now, I get to move on to the Terrys. Oh, the Terrys. Oh no, that's not gonna be good. Yikes. Anyways, guess that's gonna be it. Still can't believe it. Still so glad it's finally over, dude. It's been like almost like 20 days since that first failed mine. Where I got screwed over. But I'm just so glad I got it done. But anyways, next time I'll see you probably at JToH, and maybe not. Who knows how long it'll take. But yeah. Anyways, see you later. GG's. GG's.